Hi everybody, I'm Rob Ladbrook, Motorsport Magazine's production editor, and I've come here today to Rockingham Motor Speedway with quite a special Ferrari. Now, the 1990s weren't exactly a golden period in Ferrari for GT racing. There was the success of the F40 in the late 80s, but other than that, there was pretty much just a couple of single-make challenge cars, and there was nothing to bear the flag for Maranello against the rival brands until this, the 550 Maranello. This model, this car, was a game changer for Ferrari in international GT racing. The surprising thing about the 550 Maranello is that Ferrari never actually intended to race these cars. They produced them as road cars at the end of the 90s, and then various race tuners such as Italtecnica and ProDrive picked up on the potential, the competition potential of this model. The original 5.5 litre V12 was swapped out for a 6 litre version, creating 600 brake horsepower.
The 550 Maranello was constructed from a steel monocoque chassis, like a silhouette clothed in carbon fibre bodywork. That helped cut the car's weight down drastically, from 1,700 kilos to around 1,200.
It was immensely successful from the start, with ProDrive winning the GTS class of the Le Mans 24 Hours. And it was at this point Ferrari thought, hang on, why is everyone else taking our car and winning our name? Why don't we simply do it ourselves? So, the factory contacted N Technology, which was the race tuner running Alfa Romeo's touring car program. Only 2 chassis were donated to N Technology and given official Ferrari race serial numbers. This is one of those 2. And where better to see what it can do than our own private racetrack.
N Technology actually made 3 cars, but one chassis was used as a show car and never actually raced. The 2 others, number 2102 and 2104, were the only 550s prepared directly by Ferrari for the 2003 FIA GT Championship and run by JMB Racing. Both cars were used as a sort of rolling laboratory for development of both the V12 power plant and the chassis ahead of Ferrari producing the 575 GT, which would be its first true customer GT car since the F40. This car, now back in fully restored condition, wearing its 2003 Spa 24 Hours livery, this 550 is arguably the car that made Ferrari fall back in love with GT racing.
After running successfully in the FIA GT Championship and the French GT Championship, this particular car saw out the final of its competitive days in the Italian Hill Climb Championship, where again it won multiple titles, before ending up here, fully restored and looking absolutely glorious. The 550 Maranello was really a seminal car for Ferrari's modern GT programs, and you can trace the lineage of even its brand new 488 GTE right back to this model. What a machine.